KASUE sauna review. So sorry about the mess here, but just to explain this real fast, because this is going to save you a ton of time. Just make sure that this main opening window here with the pouch is going to be in this opening area right here where there's no bar, so that way you can step in. And if not, I had to take this back off and redo it, so that'll save you a ton of time. Does come with this little chair, so it's really nice in here, and it's pretty roomy. So I'm about 6 feet tall, and there's still like a couple inches above my head. Comes with this, it's like the little steam separator, so it just plugs into here. There's already a little cut, so you know exactly where it's going. With insulation, I'll just tell you a little bit about how it's set to go. And then over here, this is what this looks like to set up. So again, there's going to be a little slit in here, so super easy. You plug that in, very easy to set up. And then you just plug this in, fill this up, and then you can set the timer. The heating, everything else is going to be from the steamer here. But outside of that, it's a really nice material, so very thick, and has a nice windows. You can also unzip these windows if you need to. And yeah, it works really well, so save yourself a ton of money versus like it's up and everything. But so far it's a really nice sauna. So a wood sauna, this is going to do you really good, so definitely get this while it's on sale. This is the little door, so there's a zipper on the inside and outside, so obviously too, when you're in there you can get out very easily. But here's the most important thing. So you can see there's these bars in the middle. This is going to be an open spot. So when you're building this, because sometimes it won't tell you in the instructions, when you're building this and you're putting this platform on,